Okay, I've just mixed up a bit more glue. So we'll do another bucket. Beautiful. Da, 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 da. Look at this though, that's a bit of a pain. When it dries out, the cardboard's easy to get off. Oh, what are the doggies barking at? Sometimes you've just got to give it a little bit of a lift. That tile, just to get your clip in. Then we've got dry glue to your edge of your tile just there to put your clip in. You just cut a bit off. Whooshka. Do a few, you know, do it 4 at once, so a couple of tiles. See what I did then? I need a bit of glue in that corner, so you just collect a bit on the corner of your tile like that, and you're home and hose. Then you know you've got, you know, then you've got 100% glue on your tile. Very important for a floor, because this is a pool room. The owner might be a good player and not whack any balls off the table onto the floor, but when I play, I've done it many times. My ball has gone off the table. So you must have 100% glue under every part of your tile. Same as on a drive. People have said to me, oh, they're not a very, can you put these types of tile on a driveway? And I've said, yes, of course you can. And they've said to me, well, they're a bit thin. Well, you can lay paper on a driveway and it won't crack if it's glued properly. If you dig what I mean. I try all the time to keep my trowel up as much as I can, because the lower you go when you're spreading, the lower your notches. So if you're straight up like that, it gives you your full 12 mil that notch is meant to be. 12 mil. But if you lean it over, you're only getting a 10. Look at that, beautiful. I hope you're learning, everyone. I hope I'm able to teach you something. That you're able to do in your own house sometime. Because the sense of achievement will buzz you out. By doing it yourself and doing a good job. You got to learn to do it yourself, because there's going to be no trades out there. No one's getting taught. Except on YouTube. All the young ones are wanting to do the computer. I say to my, well, on Sunday we had the grandkids, and I said to my grandson, hey, you want to come to the, like here we have Bunnings, it's a hardware store. And I said to him, do you want to come to Pop? You want to come to Bunnings with Pop? Have a look around with me? Nah, he said. If I said to him, do you want to go to the computer store? Oh yeah. So that's sort of how they're not interested anymore. Just a sign of the times. Things are changing. One more and I'll turn the camera off so I don't bore you. Looks like they've got some visitors. Last one.